Okay guys, so for my next trick, I have this generator sitting here. Actually, it was left here by the previous owner. It's in my garage, as you can tell. And it doesn't have any wheels on it. I had it for a couple of years and I'm wondering to myself, should I go out and try to find like a wheel kit for it? Which I don't think they make one for this generator. So as I was walking around my garage today, I found this. The training wheels to my son's bike. My one son no longer needs training wheels, so I'd be ashamed to just toss this perfectly good wheel. So my thought is maybe I can remove this bolt and mount the training wheel to it. I mean, I'll have to get a longer bolt, which I think I have. And I could take this handle, or take this bracket, and kind of make it into a handle of sorts, like right there. So I already went through the trouble of finding some old bolts in my miscellaneous junk pile. I found a few here that I believe will work. So a couple of these, I think I'm going to go with these two. I'm going to cut them down because they're a bit on the long side. They should be more like this. But I don't want to use this because if you notice, I think this is a lag bolt. No, it's not a lag bolt. I forget what it's called. Anyway, it doesn't have an end that you could put a socket to should you need to change out the wheels. I already disconnected, took apart one wheel and bracket. I think I'm going to cut these bolts down like I said and get started. Okay, so it took a little persuasion. As you could tell, this bolt needs a hex fitting, and it was pretty darn rusty. So I had some help from some WD-40 impact wrench and a lot of patience, but I got it. And here's the wheel. As you can tell, the wheel will slide right in there. So I'm going to bolt this up and do the same to the other side, and you'll see the finished product. Okay, so the wheels on here work okay. I'm not too worried about it because the most I moved this generator to is just outside my garage. So the next step is to take these and mount them on here. Now the interesting thing is there's this hole right here that I'm just going to drill through, and it should align with this mounting hole right there. Now this mounting hole is threaded, so I was lucky enough to find some bolts that will fit it. And yeah, I haven't quite decided if I'm going to take apart this angle piece yet, but let's get this mounted first and then we'll worry about that later. Okay, so I did it. Right here you'll see that I put the little bolt that came through here, and did the same to the other side. So just lift, carry. I think that's it. This guy I may have to fix a little bit. It's a little off center, but I think I got it. It's perfect for what I need. I'm just going to look about getting some stands for the bottom part so it's not sitting on an angle, but other than that, I'm good. So be inspired, dream big, and dream well.